here's the app called Shorten, Drama Shorts and Movies. So this is alternative app to Drama Shorts, which you can try out here. You know, there are a lot of these apps these days where you can just watch some short dramas on your way to work, during your commute, during traveling. Shorten brings you captivating short stories and engaging drama shorts that fit perfectly into your schedule, whether you're squeezing in a quick episode during your lunch break or unwinding before bed. This app offers mini-series and short reels designed for fast, meaningful entertainment. No more waiting through long shows. Enjoy quick episodes whenever life gives you a moment. Powerful short stories, new content regularly, a genre for every mood. So there you have it. And then yeah, here it is. So then you can just see it like that, and then you have the app, and this is how it looks like. Whoa, so then you can see it here, and then you see in your list, and then you have bonus. You can then just check in. You can enable reminders for check-in, and then you have a lot of other tasks where you can get some coins. You can also no, you can't refer other people. I guess you can only buy coins. So monthly subscription $20 per month. It's super expensive, but still cheaper than other apps in these categories. So seems it's one of the cheaper apps out there. And then as you can see, there is even like a cheaper 50% off, which you can get like for $50. So that's like a special offer which they have here. So can be, so this app is much cheaper actually than other apps in these categories. So yeah, because you know Drama Box is like $20 per month, and then there is no free option. I mean, there is no like a cheaper option, and there are no offers or promo codes there. So that's what it is.